Imagine signing up for a new platform, excited to solve a problem, but within minutes you're lost in a maze of buttons, unsure of what to do. Sounds frustrating, right? Now, imagine a smooth walkthrough, guiding you step by step, making you feel confident in minutes. That's the power of a good onboarding flow. Why onboarding matters. For tech scale-ups, great onboarding can be the difference between retaining a customer and losing them. Whether you serve B2B or B2C customers, your onboarding must be intuitive, efficient, and valuable from the start. First up is Duolingo, the power of habit-forming onboarding. Duolingo doesn't just onboard users, it hooks them. The moment you sign up, you're thrown into a bite-sized lesson, proving you can learn a language with minimal effort. Why it works. Immediate action. Instead of explaining features, Duolingo gets users doing something right away to get users engaged. They've incorporated gamification. Streaks and XP points encourage return visits. Personalization. Tailored lessons based on user goals. Next up is Notion. Customization without overwhelm. Productivity and note-taking app Notion helps users customize, but without making them feel overwhelmed. They guide users through a quick setup quiz and offer templates, making it easy to start. Here's why it works for Notion. There is guided choice. There's templates based on user needs. They offer progressive learning. As a user, you start simple and dive deeper as you go. Notion uses subtle tooltips. This means non-intrusive help when needed. Number 3 is Slack. Team-centered onboarding. Slack's onboarding isn't just about you, it's about your team. Right from the start, it encourages team invites, making adoption more natural. Let's take a close look at why Slack's onboarding just works. Collaborative focus. They make it super easy to get teams on board early. There's an interactive walkthrough. Slackbot makes the experience conversational. They offer value early in the process. Users send their first message quite quickly. Last but not least is Canva. Creativity made easy. Canva is known to make design accessible to everyone, whether it's for social media posts, book covers, or video editing. The onboarding flow uses templates and drag and drop simplicity to get users creating fast. Let's take a closer look at why it works for Canva. Instant gratification. Users create something beautiful immediately. Feature discovery. Tips appear when users need them. Social proof. Community designs inspire users. Now, some common pitfalls to avoid when designing an onboarding experience. It's easy to mention what works, but it's also important to talk about a few pitfalls that you should be aware of and should try to avoid to keep users engaged. First, look out for information overload. Keep it simple. Let users discover features. Make sure you're not skipping the why. Make your value crystal clear. Try to avoid a lack of personalization. Tailor the experience to user needs. Use data-driven insights to tailor the onboarding experience. Wrapping it all up. A great onboarding flow doesn't just introduce features, it makes users feel at home and ready to see the platform's value. Take the examples I mentioned. Duolingo builds habits, Notion simplifies customization, Slack drives team adoption, and Canva removes creative barriers. Do you need help crafting a great onboarding flow? Let's chat.